The Douro River flows through Porto as a significant waterway that has shaped the city's history and culture. The river stretches about 897 kilometers from its source in Spain, passing through the scenic Douro Valley wine region before reaching Porto and eventually flowing into the Atlantic Ocean. Here in Porto, the Douro River plays a central role in the city's landscape and tourism. The riverfront area, known as Ribeira, is a popular destination for locals and visitors alike. It features colorful buildings, narrow streets, and a lively atmosphere with numerous cafes, restaurants, and shops. The iconic Dom Luís I Bridge, designed by Gustave Eiffel's apprentice, spans the river, connecting Porto with the neighboring city of Vila Nova de Gaia. Boat tours along the Douro River are a popular activity, allowing visitors to admire the city's stunning architecture and enjoy panoramic views. Overall, the Douro River adds to the charm and beauty of Porto, providing a picturesque backdrop and offering opportunities for leisurely cruises and exploration. The Ponte Luís I Bridge is an iconic landmark in Porto, designed by Théophile Seyrig, a student of Gustave Eiffel. The bridge was completed in 1886 and has become one of the city's most recognizable symbols. This double-deck iron bridge spans the Douro River, connecting the historic center of Porto with the neighboring city of Vila Nova de Gaia. Walking beside this bridge provides a unique perspective of Porto, with panoramic views of the river, the Ribeira district, and the city's charming skyline. It is also a popular spot for photography enthusiasts, capturing the beauty of Porto from various angles. This bridge is not only a functional structure, but also a symbol of Porto's history and connection with the Douro River. It is a must-visit attraction for tourists and locals alike, offering a memorable experience and a chance to appreciate the architectural and engineering feats of the past. Exploring the beauty of the Douro River through Porto offers a captivating experience. Here are some ways to immerse yourself in its charm. River cruises. Embark on a scenic river cruise along the Douro. Departing from Porto, these cruises take you through the picturesque Douro Valley, known for its terrace vineyards and stunning landscapes. You can enjoy the views while savoring local wines and traditional Portuguese cuisine. Along the riverfront, visit Porto's Ribeira district. This charming neighborhood offers a lively atmosphere with colorful buildings, narrow streets, and riverside cafes. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, soak in the views, and enjoy the vibrant ambience. Just across this river, you will find the venture to Vila Nova de Gaia and visit the port wine cellars. Many of these historic cellars offer guided tours and tastings, providing insights into the production of the famous port wine. Enjoy the scenic views of the river while indulging in the flavors of this unique fortified wine. By exploring Porto and its connection to the Douro River, you can fully appreciate the city's rich history, stunning architecture, and the natural beauty that surrounds it.